What's up, Gold Rush fam? Your boy Goldrush here. And if you thought the crypto market was done giving us mind-blowing opportunities, you are dead wrong. We are witnessing something truly spectacular unfolding right now, and it involves a crypto that many have slept on, but is now roaring awake. Today, we're not just talking about big moves. We're talking about a crypto colossus that's about to leave its competitors in the dust. We're diving deep into the Stellar Lumens XLM chart, because according to the Oracle himself, Peter Brandt, this digital asset is showing more bullish potential than even the heavy hitters like Ethereum, Solana, and our beloved XRP. Let's kick things off with this explosive article from CoinGate titled, XLM is more bullish than ETH, SOL, and XRP, Peter Brandt declares. This isn't just hype, folks. This is coming from a legendary trader. As you can see in this article, it states, Stellar XLM has emerged as the most bullish-looking chart among major cryptocurrencies, according to veteran trader Peter Brandt. Another top trader's analysis confirms Brandt's prediction over the short term. Wow, did you catch that? Peter Brandt, the man who called the XRP surge, is now saying XLM, our stellar steed, is looking even more bullish. This is not small news, my friends. This is a seismic shift in market sentiment. When a veteran like Brandt, who has seen countless cycles, makes a statement like this, you sit up, you pay attention, and you get ready for massive action. The article highlights Brandt's X post, where he posted a long-term XLM chart to explain a breakout formation. But he noted that the token must stay above its April low levels and remain well above the $1 price level. Look at this chart here. You can clearly see that inverse head and shoulders pattern on the monthly chart that Brandt pointed out. This is a classic bullish reversal pattern. It signals that the tide is turning and the big money is getting ready to flow in. That $1 resistance level? That's not a ceiling, that's a launch pad. Once our stellar steed breaks through that, it's going to be unstoppable. Currently, the XLM price is up nearly 60% in the last 7 days and trades at $0.4767. 60% in 7 days. Are you seeing this? This isn't some slow crawl. This is a vertical ascension. The momentum is undeniable, and the whales are clearly making their moves. But wait, there's more. The CoinGate article also brings in another heavy hitter. In another X post, top analyst Solberg Invest posted a short-term view showing a strong XLM rally. XLM price has jumped over 80% recently and is trading near $0.46. The move broke a long-standing downtrend, turning $0.43 into a key support. Let's take a look at this data here. 80% recent jump. This isn't a fluke. This is a confirmed trend reversal. That $0.43 level is now rock-solid support. The bears, the doubters, they are getting liquidated. Solberg Invest noted the next target for the token is $0.60, with the potential for higher levels. 60 cents. That's the immediate target, my friends. And higher levels. That's crypto speak for to the moon and beyond. The stellar steed is just warming up its engines. Now let's talk about the massive fundamentals backing this incredible surge. Our second article from Finbold, titled Stellar XLM Skyrockets 70% in a Week, reveals the real reasons why institutions are piling into XLM. Stellar XLM has been on a run, skyrocketing 70% in a week to break the $0.40 price barrier and adding over $6 billion to its market cap. The upswing was backed by strong trading volume, signaling renewed interest among retail and institutional traders. $6 billion added to the market cap. That's not your grandma's crypto, folks. That's institutional capital flooding in. This isn't just about technical charts. This is about real-world adoption and massive liquidity. The article mentions a confirmed Elliott wave breakout and projects XLM towards $0.799. But the real kicker, the absolutely massive news, is this. Beyond the charts, Stellar is riding a wave of renewed institutional interest propped up by its integration with PayPal's PYUSD stablecoin and partnership with MoneyGram. PayPal, MoneyGram. Are you hearing me, Gold Rush fam? These are titans of finance choosing Stellar as their blockchain of choice. This isn't just speculative trading. This is global adoption. This is real utility. This is why XLM is not just pumping. It's setting the stage for dominance in cross-border payments. This stellar squad is taking over. The CoinGape article also backs this up, stating, the Stellar token is also showing strong interest from traders. According to Coinalyze data, the token's open interest has increased by 3.40% in the past 24 hours. Currently, the combined amount of perpetual contracts is $270.9 million. This indicates that there is increased capital entering XLM futures trades as momentum keeps on increasing. In addition, the funding rates on most exchanges are positive. Such levels demonstrate obvious long-side biases. With rising open interest and positive funding rates, XLM continues to attract bullish leverage. Rising open interest and positive funding rates. This means traders are going long. They are bullish as heck. The futures market is screaming up, and away for XLM. This is a confidence vote from the biggest players in the game. We've got the technicals, we've got the fundamentals, and we've got the market sentiment all aligning for a historic run for XLM. Peter Brandt's call, Solberg Invest targets, and the massive institutional backing from PayPal and MoneyGram. It all paints one picture. XLM is about to go parabolic. For all you Gold Rush warriors out there, this is your chance. This is the moment to pay attention, to do your research, and to potentially position yourselves for life-changing gains. The stellar steed is ready to gallop to $1 and far, far beyond. I cannot stress this enough. Like this video, subscribe to the Gold Rush Crypto Daily channel, and most importantly, turn on all notifications. You need to be here, with us, as these market moves unfold. This is the information that separates the winners from the watchers. Share this video with anyone who needs to hear about the explosive potential of XLM. The gold rush is on, and we are leaving no one behind. While the immediate target is 60 cents and then 79.9 cents, remember Peter Brandt's long-term vision, breaking that $1 resistance. That's when the real fireworks begin. We've seen XLM consolidate for years, building up immense pressure. This recent surge, fueled by institutional adoption and bullish technicals, is the breakout we've been waiting for. The Stellar Network is proving its utility, and the market is finally recognizing its true value. Of course, the CoinGape article did mention a small caution. However, extreme optimism may also raise the risk of short-term pullbacks if sentiment shifts. It is no wonder a recent CoinGape report predicts XLM price is at risk of a big dive after going through a short squeeze last week. Always be mindful of market dynamics, Gold Rush fam. Short-term pullbacks are always a possibility in crypto, especially after such massive pumps. But these are often just buying opportunities for the astute investor. Don't let a small dip shake you out of a long-term, high-conviction play like XLM. The overall trend, the macro picture, is overwhelmingly bullish. This isn't just about a price pump, my friends. This is about Stellar's vision becoming a reality. Connecting the world's financial systems, making cross-border payments cheap and instant. That's the power of XLM. With PayPal and MoneyGram on board, this vision is accelerating at an incredible pace. The Finbold article sums it up beautifully. As the ongoing Crypto Week debates will decide how crypto is incorporated into the market, the success of Stellar's recent partnerships will also depend on the outcome. This highlights the importance of regulatory clarity, but Stellar is already making its mark by providing real solutions. The total value locked, TVL, on Stellar, now at $140.7 million, is further proof of its growing ecosystem and utility. This isn't just a token, it's a global payment rail. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and let's ride this XLM rocket ship to financial freedom. We are the Gold Rush Crypto Daily, and we are going to keep bringing you that alpha. Catch you in the next one. Let's go.